Hello viewers, this is sajidz, and here in this video guys I'm going to talking with about how you can recover your deleted messages in your WhatsApp. I think guys you all use WhatsApp, and WhatsApp is now become the most important thing, the social media in your Android mobile phone, and is the biggest main platform for you guys to chat with your friends or talk with each other. It's really important for you guys, but sometimes unfortunately you may delete your important messages in the WhatsApp, and that time the problem occurs there. And from here guys, in this video I'm going to talking with you about how you can recover those deleted messages in your WhatsApp there, and it's really awesome and it's really simple and short and strict for you guys. Without further delay, I think I should start this video as soon as possible. Before here guys, I request you please subscribe my channel as it is before, and if you guys really do this, so this video really dedicated for you guys. So here this is my WhatsApp interface there, and here this is my chats are there, and from here suppose I delete this chat from here in my WhatsApp there, and from here I also delete this from here too. Just go to there, delete media from my phone, and it's really deleted from all of my mobile storage too. And here the main problem occurs there, that here I'll not get it back here again. For that what you have to do, you need to go to there, and from here go to the menu of your mobile phone, and from here go to the settings of your mobile phone, and from the settings you need to go to the down to the below, and from the down you need to go to the storage there, and from the storage go to the internal storage from there, and from here just go to the apps from there, and after that you need to wait for some time, some while there, and here it is, this is the WhatsApp. You need to select this WhatsApp there, and from here now just click on this clear data from there, and here your all the cache data and the app data will be deleted from your WhatsApp there, and your WhatsApp will be clear from there. And here now the main tricks will be occur from there. Now go to the WhatsApp from there, and here you need to sign up here in this WhatsApp again, and for that click on this agree and continue, and from here click on this continue, and here you need to allow those permission from there, and here you need to give the number of your WhatsApp from there, and after that now click on this next, and here you will get a verification code for you guys whenever to verify your mobile from here. And here it is, here I just give my verification code here, and from here I need to restore my all the things are there. Now here it is, it's just restoring all the messages, medias, whatever there. I just restore my everything there, and here it is, I just restore it from my Google Drive, and now click on this next, and now restore everything from there, and it will be restoring as it is there, because the database of your WhatsApp is still not alive in your mobile phone, and here I will guys show you there. And here it is guys, your all the things are recovered there easily, and it's really a easy process for you guys. But here guys, there have some condition for you, that you need to restore all your data in the backup site in the Google Drive, and for that you need to backup it in the previously. For that guys, WhatsApp restore all the backups after within the 24 hours passing. And here from what you have to do, need to go to the settings of your, and from here click to the chats, and from here the chat backup there, and here you need to click on this backup. Whenever you just go in the backup, the time in the first time you will get it there, backup to your Google Drive daily, and from here you can select it the daily backup, and you need to select an account there, and here it is. And here it is, you need to give a Gmail account there, and here it is the backup by over, it may be Wi-Fi or cellular, anything. From here you need to select it, and if you want to include your videos there, that time you can also select it there, and after that it will recover and restore all of your 24 hours data in your Google Drive there, and it's really safe for you, and I refer you guys to do this. If you guys don't do this, that time it will not get the storage and the backup here in the backup data there, and from here you will not get it there. And if you guys do this there in the every time, that time you will get this data back after just doing those things there in your WhatsApp there. So here guys, hopefully you understand it clearly and how you can restore your deleted messages in your WhatsApp, and you can fulfill your demand by this. And if you guys understand it clearly and you guys get the success from by this my video, that time I request you, please give a thumbs up this video. Please comment below on this video if you don't understand anything, and if you guys just forget to share this video, then I request you, please share this video with your friends and others. And if you guys still now don't subscribe my channel, then I request you, please subscribe my channel. Hopefully we will meet in the next video. So till now, stay tuned with me guys.